Is it time to buy or sell Microsoft stock? In this video, we will delve into Microsoft. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 14th of March, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be interpreted as financial advice. Since the 13th of March, 2025, our system has identified Microsoft as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.19. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Surprisingly, the stock has outperformed our system's expectations, achieving a gain of 2.58%. This results in an average return of 1.29% per day since it was categorized as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned within the midst of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further declines are anticipated. The existing 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately -11.69% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -14.13% to -5.18%. When we examine the longer term, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of -1.85%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from -4.33% to +16.57% over the next year. In practical terms, this would place the future price within the range of $371.72 to $452.96. Our latest daily update for Microsoft includes the headline, Green Day on Friday for Microsoft. The Microsoft stock price increased by 2.58% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 14th of March, 2025. It rose from 378.77 to 388.56. During this trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.71% with a low of 379.51 and a high of 389.79. The price has been experiencing ups and downs during this period, and there has been a loss of 2.12% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 531,000 shares, with a total of 20 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $7.67 billion. It's important to consider that falling volume alongside rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $468.35, while the lowest was $377. Currently, the price stands at 17.04%, or $79.79, below the 52-week high of $468.35, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Today, Microsoft continues to demonstrate resilience, even in the face of a market correction that has affected the Nasdaq composite, which has experienced a decline of over 13% from its all-time high. Analyst Gil Luria from D.A. Davidson highlights that Microsoft's strong presence in the enterprise sector positions it advantageously compared to its reliance on the consumer market, indicating a solid case for the stock's future performance. Despite encountering challenges, including some recent underperformance, Microsoft's robust financials and strategic investments in artificial intelligence have maintained a buy rating among analysts. The company is making substantial capital expenditures focused on artificial intelligence, setting the stage to capture significant demand and leverage transformative technology that can drive higher earnings over time. Additionally, amid broader market volatility, Microsoft is regarded as an attractive investment opportunity, especially as cautious consumer spending may adversely affect its competitors to a greater extent. While the ongoing antitrust investigation remains a consideration, the company's strategic partnerships and innovations in artificial intelligence are seen as factors that could mitigate potential risks. In the short term, these developments may lead to stabilization or a rebound in Microsoft's stock price, particularly as investors seek quality options in uncertain times. Looking to the long term, Microsoft's disciplined approach to expenditures in artificial intelligence and strong performance in the enterprise sectors could position it for significant growth and may ultimately enhance its earnings and share price as market conditions improve. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 14th of January, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned Microsoft a positive rating with a hold recommendation. On the same day, it was reported that Wells Fargo rated Microsoft as outperform with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, the 18th of December, 2024, UBS reported a buy rating for Microsoft, along with a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, the 10th of December, 2024, Needham provided Microsoft with a hold rating and a hold recommendation. On the same day, Piper Sandler rated Microsoft as neutral with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Microsoft stock. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts provide the stock with a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Microsoft. Today, there are mixed signals regarding the stock. The Microsoft stock currently presents a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. With the long-term average positioned above the short-term average, this contributes to a more negative outlook for the stock. Should the stock experience further gains, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at 406.62. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the short-term average at 385.92. A breakout above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will introduce an additional sell signal, further reinforcing the overall bearish sentiment. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. A buy signal was issued following a pivot bottom point on Thursday, March 13, 2025, and thus far, it has risen by 2.58%. Additional gains are anticipated until a new top pivot is identified. Notably, trading volume decreased during the last trading day, even with rising prices. This discrepancy between volume and price could serve as an early warning sign. Therefore, it is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots showed a buy signal 2 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicated a buy signal 4 days ago. The short-term moving average suggested a buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 32 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 30 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a sell signal 32 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a sell signal 32 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 27 days ago. For more signals and insights, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Microsoft. Microsoft finds support from accumulated volume at $383.27. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. The stock typically experiences average daily movements, and given the strong trading volume, the associated risk is deemed medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $10.28 between its high and low, representing a change of 2.71%. In the past week, the stock's average daily volatility has been 2.25%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Microsoft, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This represents a relatively normal PE ratio, typically observed in companies with long histories or predictable revenue streams. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 24th of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $3.20. It is crucial to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Microsoft. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Microsoft is at $414.99. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could represent a key level for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, Microsoft faces its first support level at $383.27. Should this support level hold, it may provide a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Microsoft from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 28th of February, 2025, Smith Bradford L executed an insider sale of 3,722,385 shares of common stock. On the same day, Numoto Takeshi conducted an insider sale of 1,294,178 shares of common stock. Also on that day, Jola Alice L executed an insider sale of 444,056 shares of common stock. On the 28th of February, 2025, Hood Amy conducted an insider sale of 4,390,842 shares of common stock. Additionally, on that same day, Hogan Kathleen T executed an insider sale of 1,744,787 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is positive with a ratio of 6.659. In total, insiders purchased 487,822 shares and sold 414,585 shares in the last 100 trades. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and there is currently no stop loss in place. Is Microsoft stock a good buy? Currently, Microsoft exhibits several negative indicators, leading us to believe that it will continue to perform weakly over the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 17th of March, we anticipate that Microsoft will open lower by $2.61, beginning at $385.95. We want to emphasize that trading comes with a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding buying or selling securities. Please refrain from making investment choices based solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from everyone here at Stock Invest.